In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stop loss in TradingView. A stop loss is a simple but powerful way to protect your capital by automatically closing your position if price moves against you. This walkthrough assumes you have access to the trading panel and are able to place orders through your connected broker. Start by opening the chart you want to trade. For example, if you're looking at gold, you might open the XAU-USD chart. Make sure you're on the time frame that makes sense for your strategy and take a quick look at recent highs and lows so you have context for where a protective stop might make sense. This quick review helps you choose a level that reflects your tolerance for risk rather than a random number. Next, go to the trading panel and choose whether you want to buy or sell. Clicking buy means you expect price to rise. Clicking sell means you expect it to fall. When you hit that button, TradingView opens the order window for your connected broker. This is the ticket where you confirm all the important details before sending the order. In the order window, locate the field labeled Stop Loss, often abbreviated as SL. This is the spot where you instruct the platform to close your position automatically if price reaches a certain level. You'll usually see options to enter a specific price, and with some brokers, you can switch to pips or ticks. If you're newer to this, price-based stops are straightforward. You pick the price at which you'll accept the loss and exit. Enter your stop-loss value carefully. A common approach is to place the stop below a recent swing low for a long trade or above a recent swing high for a short trade, giving the trade room to breathe while still capping your downside. Before you finalize, check how far that stop is from your entry and translate that distance into potential loss based on your position size. This helps keep your risk per trade consistent with your plan. Once you're comfortable with the details, click Place Order. Take a moment to review the confirmation and ensure the stop loss is included exactly as intended. After the order goes live, you'll see the stop level reflected on your chart, which provides a clear visual of your protection. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, choose Buy or Sell from the trading panel, confirm the order window, find the stop loss field, enter your price or pips, and place the order. Done correctly, this small habit can make a big difference in your long-term trading discipline.